back to my channel. Today is, you just loving that cheese, ain't you? Today we're going to attack my fridges, not my freezers. That's another thing, another problem. Also, I need to get like some containers to help me out organize the freezer, so that's why. But we're going to attack the refrigerator because it's getting to a point that I have no room for stuff, knowing that there's stuff that needs to come out. So yeah. Today we're going to attack the fridges. I have two of them in my house. So when we move, we didn't get rid of the old one. Because we like having two of them. Because when you have two of them, you get one, especially if you just have a normal size fridge, the other one can be strictly drinks and stuff like that. And the other one could be like leftovers, veggies, fruit, stuff like that. But I will say my other fridge has milk and almond milk and stuff like that in it. Because I cook with that. Not almond milk, but the milk. So that's explain why you're looking at it like, didn't you just say drinks on the other one? Yeah, but milk and almond milk is a different story. So, we're gonna attack the inside of the fridge. I wanna get this done so I can have some room. Because if I cook tomorrow, I have room for my leftovers. So I'm gonna bring you along this time. Yeah, I'm procrastinating. I really don't want to start, but it needs to be done. What y'all want to do is take the trash can and spray and anything I need with me, around me, so I have to keep on getting up and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna start with that one in there because that one kind of got, I won't say ambushed, but it kind of got crazy because the kids keep on putting their cups in there and some of those cups need to come out. So I have no clean sippy cups for her, so those cups need to come out. I need to organize like leftover food that's in there needs to come out. So we're going to start with that one first, and then we're going to work on this one because I feel like this one is not bad because I always clean this one out, but always after the leftovers. But if the leftovers are in a big pan, I usually put them in there. So but I'm going to bring y'all along. You like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up so I know. Also, if you want to see any future videos, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, and we'll notify you when I have a new video up, which is every Tuesday and Thursday, and every other Friday. So, hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. I don't want to do this. You might want to come to my house and do it with me? Okay. No? Okay. Let's get started. Alrighty, here we go. My goal is to get rid of these drinks. In this refrigerator. Get ready. Dum. I'm gonna clean it all this out. That's still fresh because I need to take it out, reorganize this. Like, there's too much going on. This is fridge number 2. So disorganized. It needs reorganized. It's gonna be a job. And this one's gonna be in the way. Can you get out the fridge? I'm trying to reorganize all this.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting